Mixing dry ingredients. And wet ingredients. Mix well. Adding the butter and egg and knead for 10 minutes. Measuring the Broodjes dough. Round shaping Broodjes dough. Keep aside. Butter grease a tray. Roll out the dough. Applying butter to Broodjes. Folding and dipping in egg wash and breadcrumbs. Placing in a tray. Preheat oven. Bake for 18 minutes in 180 degrees. Check perfectly baked Broodjes. Take marinated chicken and coat with breadcrumbs. Deep fry in 165 degrees. Cut lettuce and other stuffing. Slice between Broodjes. Applying sauce. Filling all stuffs in Broodjes. Layering sauces. Enjoy your tasty Dynamite Chicken Broodjes. Made by HK, thank you for watching.